Hey ladies and gentlemen, my name is Cristiano. Today I'm gonna talk about one of the best websites that you can make money with affiliate marketing. Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, and many other big retail stores have opportunities for people to make money. But the thing is, a lot of people do not know about it. So I will dive into all of those websites and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can take advantage of this opportunity. So without further ado, let's dive right into our presentation. In this video, I will show you how you can make an extra $500 to $600 a day promoting product on eBay. Literally, not actually promoting, but selling product on eBay without yourself not holding the inventory of those products. So follow along until the end. You will know how you can do that. It is pretty easy. There's a lot of people doing it. I am doing it, and there is a ton of other people doing it. So if you are not taking advantage of this opportunity, you are flushing a lot of money into the toilet. So make sure again you follow until the end. I will show you how you can do that. Uh, I promise this video won't be long. So let's go ahead. So what you need to do, the first thing you need to do, it is to go to do your research, right? To do your product research on the type of product that people are purchasing a lot. So one of the way to find that, you can go to Google Trends. You go to Google Trends. What's the website? Google Trends. It is. So it's all showing you what is like trending right now. Liverpool, Man City. Voilà. So you come here, you can literally write any type of product you can promote. Let's say, for instance, backpacks. So as you can see right now, it is basically on an all-time high right now, simply because the students are preparing to go back to school, and there is a lot of people doing this research and asking a lot of questions on Google about the same product. So if it was like below here, it's gonna show you that there is not much search on this type of product. So right now, uh, it is really high research. So what you're gonna do is to go back to the website Walmart, and then red bag packs. Okay, it's gonna show you all types of backpacks, and then you choose what you want. I will advise to choose a product that have a lot of good reviews, the one that people are purchasing. So for instance, let's say this one, 1994. Okay, we go all the way down. We see what people are saying. It's a verified purchaser. It's a great backpack. I love this backpack. It's comfortable and roomy. And I love the bottle odor and blah 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 blah. So this one kind of left at the negative review. It said, when I came home from work, I was so excited because I remembered I had a package coming today, but I wasn't happily invited home to my package being left on my box like how it is in the picture. I don't know who big slender tender built like an upside down hidden valley ranch battle. Well, you're gonna have people that gonna love the product and some people that won't be loving the product. So this one's a perfect size for personal item on flight. So there's quite some good reviews in here. Great backpack, very happy, paper backpack. So you check the description of this product, and then you go to eBay. You pass description, and then I'm gonna run it. You're gonna see how much it is selling on eBay. So the same backpack that we saw on Walmart, same backpack, same color, same description, nothing changed. Over here it's 1994, right? 1994. And if we go on ebay.com, there are people selling it for $32.34 or $31.44, right? At least there's just two sellers selling it for. Right, so we take this one, which is basically 32 for 32. So these people are making like $12 of benefits. All right, $12 of benefits. Okay, so we can look for any other product. Let's go back to Walmart. I'll take this product right here. This one is $24.89, right? You grab this product, you're gonna see on Amazon, on eBay, how much are they selling it. So there are people basically doing it, and they are making a killing because they're making sales. So over here, we see that the same product, it's at $224. We come on eBay. My eBay website. So we come here on eBay. There are people selling it for 308, 254, 299, and they are selling it. Right? This one 260, it sold already 8. This one 224, sold 27 already, and they are making a lot of profit selling this product. So what you're gonna need to do, you copy the product on the product description, right? On Walmart, copy all the description of the product, and basically you just copy and paste here on eBay, right? So I'll make a different video showing you how you can set up an eBay account. It is pretty easy. You put all your information on eBay, and then you rest and let the sales start coming in. So this is one of the best way that a lot of people are making money selling on eBay. So they're gonna buy it less and sell it on a higher price on eBay, and people don't care, they just buy it. And there are people doing it for many products. All right, so that's it, guys. I will come back with a different video showing you a step by step how you can set up an eBay account in order for you to start selling your product. Thank you and have a good day.